You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Senegalese football player, or former football player, football manager now. If you want to learn more names from football, from soccer, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. He coaches, head coach of the Senegal national football team. Pape Thiaw, how it's pronounced in Senegalese, or which is kind of French. Pape Thiaw, Pape Thiaw. How to pronounce Pape Thiaw in English? Similarly, Pape Thiaw. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.